Hi everyone, today we're going to do reading on page 68, module 5 in your full blast textbook. Walking the Amazon, the incredible story of Ed Stafford. When British explorer Ed Stafford announced that he wanted to become the first person to walk the 4,000-mile length of the Amazon from source to sea, most people said that he could not do it. Apabila penjelajah British Ed Stafford mengumumkan yang dia mahu jadi orang yang pertama berjalan kaki sejauh 4,000 batu dari mula sungai Amazon hingga ke laut, kebanyakan orang cakap dia tidak akan berjaya. 4,000 batu ialah sejauh 6,437 km, lagi jauh dari jalan Pen Bonyo dari Kuching Sarawak ke Tawau Sabah, yang baru 5,000 lebih kilometer. They said there was no way any human could survive such a long and dangerous journey. Mereka kata mustahil manusia boleh bertahan dalam perjalanan yang sangat bahaya dan panjang itu. This made Stafford even more determined to prove them wrong. Ini membuatkan Stafford lebih bertekad untuk membuktikan mereka salah. In April 2008, Stafford set off with another trekker who returned home after 3 months. Pada April 2008, Stafford memulakan perjalanannya dengan seorang trekker, tetapi dia pulang selepas 3 bulan. Stafford continued and was joined by a Peruvian forester, Cho, who stayed with him until the end. Stafford meneruskan perjalanannya dan dia diikuti oleh seorang ahli perhutanan dari Peru bernama Cho yang bersamanya sehinggalah tamat perjalanan mereka. Stafford had estimated that it would take him a year to complete the journey. Stafford menjangka ia akan mengambil 1 tahun untuk menamatkan perjalanannya. However, by the time he reached the Atlantic Ocean on the other side of the continent, he had been walking continuously for 860 days. Walau bagaimanapun, setibanya dia di Atlantic Ocean, di seberang benua itu, dia telah berjalan selama 860 hari. Throughout the expedition, he had to carry 40 kilograms on his back, which required a lot of strength. Sepanjang penjelajahan dia mengangkat barang sebanyak 40 kilo yang memerlukan banyak tenaga. A lot of this weight was batteries for his satellite video phone and laptop, which he used to write a blog of his experiences. Kebanyakan berat ini ialah bateri untuk phone video satellite dan laptop, di mana dia guna untuk menulis pengalamannya dalam blog. Along the way, Stafford faced many dangers and challenges. Sepanjang perjalanannya, Stafford menghadapi banyak bahaya dan cabaran. He and Cho often had to cross swamps and rivers with only small inflatable rafts. Dia dan Cho terpaksa melalui paya dan sungai hanya dengan menggunakan rakit pam angin yang kecil. They came across giant poisonous snakes, electric eels, jaguars, crocodiles, monkeys, and many dangerous insects. Mereka terjumpa ular berbisa besar, belut, harimau bintang, buaya, monyet, dan banyak serangga bahaya. They were continuously attacked by mosquitoes, and Stafford was stung twice by scorpions during the journey. Mereka sentiasa diserang nyamuk, dan Stafford pernah disengat kalajengking sebanyak 2 kali sepanjang perjalanan mereka. A fly buried itself into his head, and he also suffered a tropical skin disease. Seekor lalat pernah masuk di bawah kulit kepalanya, dan dia juga mengalami penyakit kulit. Sometimes they were forced to survive by eating whatever they could hunt or find. Kadang-kadang mereka terpaksa hidup dengan makan apa sahaja yang mereka boleh jumpa atau buru. Their diet sometimes consisted of plants, piranha fish, wildcats, and even tortoises. Diet mereka terdiri daripada tumbuhan, ikan piranha, kucing liar, dan juga kura-kura. Some of the dangers they faced were from humans. Mereka juga menghadapi ancaman dari manusia. The maps they used were often unreliable, and on several occasions, they arrived at areas to get supplies and found that logging companies had completely cleared them away. Peta mereka juga kadang-kadang tidak boleh diharap, dan kadang-kadang apabila mereka tiba satu kawasan untuk mendapat bekalan sudah dihabiskan oleh syarikat pembalakan. There were problems with the native people too. Terdapat masalah dengan orang asli juga di sana. Several isolated communities living in the jungle saw Stafford and Cho as a threat and chased them with knives and guns. Beberapa komuniti kecil yang tinggal di hutan melihat Stafford dan Cho sebagai ancaman, lalu menghalau mereka dengan pistol dan pisau. On one occasion, they avoided an attack by agreeing to pay the community chief to be their guide. Ada satu masa, untuk mengelak mereka dari diserang, mereka membayar ketua komuniti untuk menjadi pemandu mereka. Many people found it difficult to understand why Stafford wanted to put his life in danger. Ramai orang susah untuk memahami kenapa Stafford mahu membahayakan dirinya. He explained that no one had achieved anything like it before. Dia jelaskan bahawa tiada orang lain pernah mencapai sesuatu seperti ini. That was a good enough reason for doing it. Itu adalah sebab yang baik untuk melakukannya. Moreover, he hoped his expedition would make people more aware of the destruction of the rainforest. Selain itu, dia harap penjelajahan dia boleh memberi kesedaran kepada orang ramai tentang kemusnahan hutan di sana. Sometimes, wanting to be a record breaker and the need for adventure can push people to incredible achievements. Kadang-kadang, untuk menjadi seorang pemecah rekod dan keperluan untuk mengembara boleh memotivasi seseorang untuk membuat pencapaian yang luar biasa. If that can also help a good cause, it makes it even more remarkable. Jika ia untuk satu kebaikan, maka ia lebih mengagumkan. Exercise C. Read again and answer the questions. Choose A, B, C or D. Baca lagi dan jawab soalan. Pilih A, B, C atau D. Now let's go through all the questions. 1. When Stafford said that he was going to walk the Amazon, people thought that. Apabila Stafford kata dia akan berjalan sepanjang sungai Amazon, orang fikir. 2. What is not true about Stafford's journey? Apakah yang tidak benar tentang perjalanan Stafford? 3. What was the cause of Stafford's skin disease? Apakah punca penyakit kulit Stafford? 4. How did a community chief help Stafford and Chaw? Bagaimana satu ketua community membantu Stafford dan Chaw? 5. What was the main reason that made Stafford go on this expedition? Apakah sebab utama Stafford memulakan pengembaraannya? Exercise D. Find words in the text to complete the table below. Then try to add a few more words to each category. Di sini anda perlu mengisi tabel ini dengan perkataan dari teks dan juga perkataan anda sendiri. Now let's look at the table. Geographical features. Ciri-ciri geografi. For example, river, sungai. Water creatures. Haiwan yang tinggal di air. For example, crocodile, buaya. Land animals, haiwan yang tinggal di darat. For example, snake, ular. Bugs, serangga. For example, fly, lalat. So, selain mencari jawapan dari teks, tambah juga jawapan anda sendiri. Exercise E. Discuss, bincangkan. Would you like to try what Ed Stafford did? Why or why not? Adakah anda ingin cuba apa yang Ed Stafford buat? Kalau ya, kenapa? Kalau tidak, kenapa? Do you know of any other people who have been on incredible expeditions? Adakah anda tahu orang lain yang telah buat ekspedisi yang luar biasa juga? What can the achievement of Ed Stafford teach us? Apakah yang boleh dipelajari dari pencapaian Ed Stafford? So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.